Hey everyone, this is Sam with the Droning Company. I'm here with Bob Schmidt with Hoodman. So Bob, tell us a little bit about what you guys do.
Hoodman's a company that makes accessories for drones and many other things. Particularly our landing pad is the most relevant out there right now. Basically, it's something you can land on in any environment and keep your drone from getting dirt, dust, and debris on it. We also make all kinds of stuff for glare reduction too. So.
I am familiar with your landing pads. I have
Yeah.
one actually for review that I'm working on currently. They're super high quality. But so you mentioned you also do like hoods as well, right? For
Different types of displays. We've made hoods for the past 30 years. So what you're looking at now in the drone industry, you have a display on each one of these controllers. And what that does is it allows you to see a lot of important information. But what happens is when you go outside, you can't see it. So there goes Hoodman again with another problem to solve with one of their glare reduction hoods. And I'm going to show you one today on a controller that's super popular. It's the RC Plus for the new Inspire 3. And it's got a giant display that you can't see outside. So that's what we're here for.
I'm sure that's something that most drone pilots can relate to. Going outside, it's just a massive glare fest.
Yeah.
So yeah, absolutely. So
Oh, go ahead.
okay, go ahead.
I can start with it. I mean, this is it here. This is what you see. This is the actual controller as it sits by itself. Obviously, there's nothing on it. But what we've done is we've made a bracket. We made a magnetic sunshade system. We've made a sling strap that can be positioned around your body so it's easy to carry. So we have several things happening at once. But what I want to show you, I'll break it down. To start with, you'll be able to put this bracket over it. It'll protect the screen as well as give you a point of attachment for your sling. Slings are super important, super comfortable. Slings also allow you to go out, work on different things when you're on a drone. You can slide it off to the side. You can get into play and be able to get it out of the way, but still have it there when you need it. And it slings back into it. It's solid, it's steady, you're ready to shoot. So the next step is that glare reduction we talked about.
Yes.
That's what you see here. This is a magnetic hood. We started making magnetic hoods several years ago just for ease of operation and application and deployment. So with this guy, we put it on here, the frame holds it in place. Once it's on, now I have glare reduction out in that bright environment, which really is just a great combination. So now I can sit here, operate the camera, operate the drone from my controller, from my sling, with my bracket, with my sunshade. So it pulls everything together. It's a real operational piece, and it really facilitates great outdoor shooting with your drone. So.
And correct me if I'm wrong, but it folds down as well, right?
It does.
So super compact for traveling purposes.
Completely flat, collapses flat, and it really gives you a storage solution that's just very simple. It's out of the way and you're ready to go and it's back in place. But I'm in front of Multicopter Drone right now, one of our largest resellers. They're great people and they do a lot of business, and we sell a lot of our pads with them on the landing pads, which is another really super important product. So this one, we have these for other smart controllers in the DJI space that are out there that you can get and have the same type of situation with.
So not just for enterprise purposes, but also
Correct.
smaller stuff like the Mavic.
Exactly. Some of your controllers, like the RC Plus and the Smart Controller, we have the ability to make a sunshade for that with magnetics, with a bracket. And I also forgot one other thing on here, which is really super important: tripod adapter. So now, can you take this over to a next level and set this on a tripod and not have to even hold on to it? So you have the sling to start, but you can put for longevity, you can put the tripod on the tripod plate, which is brand new. So yeah, lots of stuff. It's a great controller, and we put a lot of products on it. So
So if people want to find more about your products, where can they find you?
they can go to hoodmanusa.com. They can find us under our HRC Plus. It's $119.99, and it's ready to go. It's in stock, and it's pretty much there.
Fantastic.